Kanak from MEC 1A. In today's session, I'll be presenting about the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. Before moving into the session, let's start with the quote given by Aryabhatta. For a triangle, the result of a perpendicular with the half side is the area. Now, moving towards the next. In today's session, we will be seeing what we are going to learn. Firstly, we'll start with the introduction, then we'll move towards the facts, and later on, we'll do the achievements of Aryabhatta. Introduction. Aryabhatta was the first of the major mathematicians and an astronomer from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. He was born in 476 Common Era CE in Kusumapura in Bihar, known as Aryabhatta during the Gupta dynasty. He studied at the University of Nalanda. Notable works include Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhanta. He was demised in 550 CE Common Era. He was one of the greatest minds of millennium who discovered the basics of mathematics. His book dealt with many topics like astronomy, spherical trigonometry, arithmetic algebra, plane trigonometry, and other. Aryabhatta was the one who worked out the entire value of pi, and this value is used in various inventions and discoveries by scientists around the world. His book Aryabhatiya was translated in Latin version so that the European mathematicians were able to calculate or find out the areas of triangle. Not only the areas of triangle but also the volume of spheres, square roots and as well as cube roots. Aryabhatta is popularly known for inventing the number zero. He also invented the number system. Aryabhatta is not just a mathematician but as a physicist and an astronomer too. Aryabhatta was also known as the father of algebra. Aryabhatta was good with his words and had written three astronomical books, but only one of the books, known as Aryabhatiya, is known to the man today. He was the first person to establish that Earth and other planets in the solar system has its own axis. Now, moving to the facts. Aryabhatta, the first satellite built by India, was launched on April 19 in the year 1975. Aryabhatta was built by ISRO to conduct experiments in X-ray astronomy and solar physics. The spacecraft was a 26-sided polygon with a diameter of 1.4 meter. The satellite was named Aryabhatta by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The cost of the project was estimated at 3 crores, but it cost more because of the excess expenditure. It had a real-time data transmission of 256 bytes per second with an internal temperature ranging from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. So far, we have seen who Aryabhatta is, what did he do, and what are the facts we learned. Now we'll see what are the achievements of Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician astronomer to come up with a number of concepts which had become the basics of many theories. He worked on the approximation. He brought many astronomical theories. He also included the concept of sine, cosine, and tan. Using his skills, found out the circumference and radius of the orbit in which the planet revolves. Last but not the least, he also explained the eclipse scientifically. Now, I would like to conclude by saying that without the inventions and brilliance of the first mathematicians of India, Aryabhatta, the science as we study today would be very different. It was because of his inventions of a number system, area of triangle, or volume of a sphere that many other inventions were given birth to. If science can be tracked back, experts suggest that even the technological revolution that is happening today, for example, the writing of binary codes, was possible because of the invention of the number system and the invention of the number zero by Aryabhatta. The people of India and people of the world owe a great amount of gratitude to this great scientist and mathematician Aryabhatta. Thank you.